So we will continue our discussion on trigonometry in this lecture. Now, let me tell you another thing. I will talk about sine of alpha plus beta in this lecture, right? And I'll show you that sine of alpha plus beta is nothing but sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. And another thing that we are going to discuss in this lecture is cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. And I will use simple geometry to show this. Okay, so let me make a rectangle here. Let us say this is a rectangle. This might not look like a rectangle, but this is a rectangle, right? So these angles are 90 degrees each. Alright, now I will create a triangle inside this rectangle in such a way that it is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle, and this angle here is the right angle. Okay, alright. So let me take this angle as alpha and this angle as beta. Alright. So now students, can you tell me what will be this angle here? What will be this angle? From simple geometry, you can say that this angle is alpha plus beta. So this angle will also be alpha plus beta. Right? Why? Because these are alternate interior angles. And now if I take this length as 1 unit, this length if I take as 1 unit, from the basic manipulations, what will be this length opposite to beta? This will be sine beta, because this is a right angle triangle. This triangle is a right angle triangle and this angle is angle beta. So side opposite to beta will be sine beta and this side here will be cos beta. We have discussed about these triangles in our previous lectures, that if let us say there is a triangle here and this angle is beta, and if this is 1 unit, then this side, that is adjacent side of angle beta, will be cos beta, and this side which is opposite angle beta will be sine beta. Okay, now look at this. This is cos beta, this is cos beta. So what will be this side here? This is 90, right? Side opposite to 90, that is hypotenuse, is cos beta, and this is angle alpha. So what will be this side? This will be cos beta cos alpha, right? You do not get confused here, because I've already told you that if this is r, this is r sine alpha, right? Now replace this r by cos beta. So what will be this expression here? Cos beta sine alpha. So this side here will be cos beta. So this expression will be cos beta cos alpha. So I have written it cos beta cos alpha. And what will be this side here? This will be cos beta sine alpha. Right? Now what can you say about this angle? If this angle is alpha, this angle will be 90 minus alpha, right? And this is 90, so this angle will be alpha. And this is a right angle, so this is hypotenuse sine beta. What can you say about this side here? This will be sine beta cos alpha. This will be sine beta cos alpha. And what will be this segment here up to this point? This will be sine beta sine alpha, right? How I'm writing these sides? I'm just using this concept here that I've already discussed in very much details. So this will be sine beta sine alpha, this will be sine beta cos alpha. Now in this right angle triangle, what can you say about this side here? Now this is 1 and this angle is alpha plus beta, so this will be cos alpha plus beta. And what will be this opposite side of alpha plus beta? This will be sine of alpha plus beta, right? If you have understood this far, then we have already proved those two formula, because this is a rectangle, so opposite sides will naturally be equal. So this side is equal to this complete side, so sine of alpha plus beta is equal to sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta, right? And what about cos alpha plus beta? It will be equal to difference of these two, this minus this. So cos alpha plus beta will be equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. And what do we say about sin alpha plus beta? Sin alpha plus beta will be equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. I hope you have understood this simple geometric manipulation, and in the next lecture we will use same geometric manipulation for tan alpha plus beta.